After about 10 years in the Braintree store, we started seeing that we were running into cars where if we had the factory scan tool, we could move further. So we sat down and hashed it out and came up with this program where we would equip technicians with factory scan tools. That way if we needed to do any programming or anything like that, we could do it in-house. So the Tech Center project, from the consumer point of view, we're pretty much invisible. All our shops have great technicians. Most shops, if not all of them, have at least one master technician on staff. When we come in, if either A, the diagnostic process is a little more in-depth than you'd normally handle in-house, or B, it involves programming. So if a module was replaced, or if there's a software update available for that particular car that would cure the customer's issue, the Tech Center would get involved at that point. Well, typically we're scheduled out a couple of days in advance usually. Usually schedule 2 to 3 cars a day, and then leave room for that emergency call that you might get. You know, maybe a shop didn't know that a computer needed programming, so that way we can jump in there if need be. A typical day starts the night before, where we'll go over our notes, see what we have scheduled for that day, the next day, figure what tools we're going to need, maybe print out some diagrams, and just prep ourselves for what we're going to encounter the next day. The tools that we need every day to fix these vehicles have advanced dramatically since even I started 14 years ago. Before, all you needed was just a generic scan tool, and now Sullivan Tires invested in factory scan tools for almost every manufacturer. So that helps tremendously when it does come to software updates and module programming. Now most problems with vehicles are fixed with software updates. Everything's computer controlled now. So yeah, with Sullivan Tire investing all this into both tooling and training to keep everyone up to date, it really makes Sullivan Tire the one-stop shop for the customer. And it doesn't matter what they drive. You know, they could drive a Honda, a Toyota, BMW, Mercedes. It doesn't matter. They can bring it to Sullivan Tire and know that we have the tooling and the technicians to fix it properly. I'm really proud of the small role that I played in helping create the tech centers. But more than that, I'm happy with all the great work that we do at Sullivan Tire, keeping our customers happy and on the road.